Alright everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a installation video on our 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sahara JK. We're installing these handle accents. And the tools that we'll be needing, or that we will be using today, are exactly what you see here. Our battery powered drill, of course our accents, a Phillips head bit, a drill bit, and some Scotch tape. And without further ado, let's get it started. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Scotch tape. You can use any tape, Scotch tape, anything like that that you choose. It's just to hold your door accent so that you can drill your pilot holes. Okay, that looks good. Now I've already got our drill bit in the drill. You don't need to go very deep, you just something to start. Okay. Let's take our bit off and we're going to put our Phillips head bit back on. And now set it on a low setting and let's get these going. And there you go. It's installed. It's that easy. I bought the set of 5 for each door and on the back handle, so it can be set up on there easily. Get a better look. Alright, we got them done. All 5 of the doors. Just give us a like, comment, tell us what you think. Alright, so now that you've seen how easy that was to do, you can go ahead and get your own, do it to your Jeep. Like and subscribe to our videos for more great and easy how-tos for your Jeep. I do welcome you to have to leave us any comments, any suggestions, any questions. I'll be happy to answer them, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.